Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. The surface area of rectangular prism A is 312 meters square. The surface area of rectangular prism B is 11,232 meters square. Rectangular prism A has a volume of 224 meter cube. If both rectangular prisms are similar, what is the volume of rectangular prism B? Okay, since we have surface area for both the prisms A and B, we can get the ratio of the surface areas of two prisms. Let me write over here. Surface area of prism A divided by surface area of prism B equals to 312 divided by 11,232. We can use Desmos to get the simplified form of this fraction. When I do so, I am getting 1 over 36. Okay, here I got the ratio of the surface areas of the two prisms. Since the two prisms A and B are similar, from the ratio of the surface areas, I'll be able to get the ratio of the volumes of two prisms. That is the volume of prism A divided by volume of prism B. Okay, how can we get the ratio of the volumes of two prisms from the ratio of the surface areas of two prisms? Let's discuss. We know that the surface area is a measure in square unit. So we have the quantities over here in square units. So our first work is we have to convert these two quantities to linear units. So whenever I want to convert square units to linear units, I have to take a square root of the quantities. Then we get square root of 1 divided by square root of 36. Now I got the quantities in linear units. And also we know that the volume is a measure in cubic units. Now to convert these linear units to cubic units, we have to take a cube for both the quantities over here. Okay, we know that the value of square root of 1 is just 1. Then we get 1 to the third power. And square root of 36 is just 6. Then we get 6 to the third power. The value of 1 cube is 1. And the value of 6 cube is 216. Here I got the ratio of the volumes of two rectangular prisms. From the terms of the ratio here, if I want to get the volume of rectangular prism A and volume of rectangular prism B, I have to multiply the terms by the same non-zero number, say x. When I multiply this 1 by x, I am getting x. When I multiply this 216 by x, I am getting 216x. So this x gives the volume of prism A and this 216x gives the volume of prism B. Already we know the volume of rectangular prism A, that is 224 meter cube. So this x and this 224, both of them represent the same stuff, that is the volume of prism A. So we can equate them, that is x equals to 224. Our aim is to get the volume of rectangular prism B. Okay, here we got the value of x, that is 224. When I plug in this 224 for x over here and it is multiplied by 216, I am getting a volume of rectangular prism B. Okay, now let me plug in the value of x over here. That is 216 times 224, which is equal to 48,384 meter cube. Okay, here I got the volume of rectangular prism B. That is 48,384 meter cube.